Kalari Marm Massage Therapy Konkal. Konkal is the second among the 64 leg movement methods of Kalripayattu. The performer used to move and raise his right leg to left side of body so that right thigh muscle will reach beside the left portion of chest while feet crossing his left ear towards upper portion of head and vice versa is called as Kokal. The important purpose of Kokal practice is to make ease movement of various joints of legs with proper stance. It is known as the protector of the Punal Nadi, which is one of the major nerve of human body. It is also depends upon the strength of the Punal Nadi, which helps a person to generate more strength on his palms to apply on other objects. According to the science of Kalari Marmthe, Punal Nadi plays an important role in maintaining balance of body. The Punal Nadi can also be known as a shield of human body, as it plays an important role in the maintenance of the liver, which has an important role among our internal organs to maintain chemical balance. The practice of Kokal can be considered as a remedy for those who are facing with related problems due to ear imbalance like less hearing ability, vomiting tendency, fainting, memory loss, etc. The practice of Kokal can be utilized for improving the flexibility and strength of Mooladhara and related areas, and also to strengthen lower section of abdomen and male reproductive organ.